Man, it's a lot of people that didn't want to come to court today. Makes my job easier. Okay. Looks like Mr. Clark, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm married and not happy about my wife going out all the time. Girls' night seems like every other weekend when we try to do something romantic. She's like, oh, I prefer to go out with my girls' happy hour. So I'm suspecting she's cheating. So.
Okay. So because she is with her girls and not spending as much time with you, you think she's cheating?
Yeah, I text her while she's out. She don't respond. I ask her, send her a picture where you are so I can see what's going on with the post on social media. I don't get any type of messages. So, I'm kind of insecure with why we're not having anything in our relationship happen the way it's supposed to as a marriage.
Meet Mr. Clark, husband provider and a man on the edge. His wife disappears every weekend for girls' night. And when he tries to reach her, silence. No texts, no pictures, just cold distance and unanswered questions. Romance is out the window and suspicion creeps in. Is she hiding something? Or is this just what marriage looks like after flame dies? But what happens when the silence turns into confrontation and court? Stay tuned, because the next reveal exposes how deep this emotional divide really goes.
You all still live in the same home?
Yes, we do.
Do you have any children?
No.
Okay. You see her every day?
Yeah.
Do you try to discuss it with her then?
She don't want to hear it. She don't go in the kitchen to talk. That's where I expect her to be, where I can corner her, but she don't talk. So.
All right.
I got things to do. I got errands to run, so I let her be so I'm not like smothering her, but when it comes down to playing the role to reservations, my girlfriends. So.
Okay. Have you ever confronted her about cheating on you?
No.
All right.
She lives in his house, sleeps under the same roof, but she won't even speak to him in the kitchen. Mr. Clark can't corner her, can't ask the questions weighing on his soul. She says she has errands. But is that all she's running from? He's not smothering her. He's pleading for her attention and getting nothing but excuses. And still, he's never confronted her directly. What's holding him back? Next, Mr. Clark drops a bombshell. What he really came to court for will shock you.
It looks like you came because you're wanting to get some sort of spousal maintenance from her.
Yeah, because we're pretty much done. There's nothing happening in our relationship intimate-wise, so I pay all the bills, 2 cars. She don't pay no gas in the car. So, I need her to either get going or tell me what's really going on.
All right. You pay all the bills, you
Yes.
say. So you make more money than her?
Yes.
Do you know where she is? Have you talked to her at all? Is she with the girls right now while court is going on?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well,
No love, no intimacy, no answers. But Mr. Clark, he pays every bill. 2 cars, the house, even the gas. And now, in a surprising twist, he's not just looking for clarity. He wants spousal maintenance. That's right. He's in court asking for money from a very woman he supports entirely. But can the man who pays it all convince a judge to make her pay him? The next moment changes the whole game, and it starts with a jaw-dropping confession about money.
if you're the one making more money, I don't see how I could honor your request to get spousal maintenance.
Well, she gets an allowance,
All right.
so I want that back.
You want your allowance back?
Yes.
How much of an allowance are you giving her?
I give her $10K a week.
$10,000 a week.
Yeah.
Man, where you work? I'm obviously in the wrong profession. Yeah. Okay. So you got her served to be here today.
Yes.
You do realize that if she were to come to court and ask for spousal maintenance from you, she would probably get it, right?
Most likely, yes.
So you still want to go through?
Yep.
Okay. Are you just doing this because you're mad at her?
Yep.
$10,000 a week. That's what Mr. Clark gives his wife as an allowance. And now he wants it back. The courtroom falls silent. Even the judge is stunned. But Mr. Clark doesn't care. He's hurt, angry, and demanding change. But when the judge asks why he's really here, his answers shift from legal to emotional. Next, was this all just a revenge mission fueled by heartbreak?
Well, Mr. Clark, you don't just come to court and file something and ask for a request without the grounds just because you're mad.
Well,
I can empathize with
why
you
not?
being mad.
Because I want her attention. So in the court, there's mediation, and she'll know I'm serious.
Yes and no, right? So you don't want to file a lawsuit to necessarily get your spouse's attention because you're not getting the affection that you're looking for. You can threaten her with a lawsuit, or you can draft one out and show it to her, but to actually have her served, set it for a hearing, that kind of takes up my time for somebody who really needs to be in here. So it's a waste of resources.
Yes, he admits it. He filed this case not for justice, but to get his wife's attention. His heartache has taken the form of a lawsuit, but the judge sees right through it. This isn't legal strategy. It's emotional desperation. He wants her to notice him. But the courtroom is no place for love games. And now the judge makes a bold move, dismissing the case. But is that really the end? Or is there one more painful truth left to be revealed?
I mean, I get what you're saying. I'm married myself, so I definitely understand what you're saying.
Yes.
This is just not the right resource to get her attention. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do, Mr. Clark. We're going to dismiss your case.
Dismiss the case.
We're going to dismiss it. You do not have grounds to ask for spousal maintenance. You're the breadwinner. You just said you pay all the bills, you give her a $10,000 allowance a week. You don't qualify for spousal maintenance. You have to prove that you do not have the resources to meet your minimum needs.
Okay.
We both know that you do, just based off what you said you do.
Right.
Dismissed just like that. No spousal maintenance. No courtroom leverage. Mr. Clark, the high-earning husband, can't claim hardship, especially when he's been giving her more than most make in a month. The judge's tone is final, and yet there's empathy in her voice. But Mr. Clark isn't done. Not yet. Next, he asks one more question, and it stuns the courtroom all over again.
So, yeah, I would have to dismiss your case.
Nothing else I can say then.
No, but you know, I thank you for coming to see me, right?
Thank you.
But I also recommend that the two of you seek some sort of counseling, marital counseling. Okay?
Nah, we're beyond marital counseling.
Okay, well, if you decide to come to court and file for a divorce, right?
Yes.
You can do that, but just not with the spousal maintenance part attached. I could foresee her saying she would like to have spousal maintenance. So yeah, I'll have to dismiss your request on that.
Okay.
All right?
He says they're beyond counseling, that this marriage is over. But the judge warns him. If he files for divorce, she might come after him for support. The same man who paid for everything might become the one being drained. Can he handle that? Can anyone prepare for that reversal? Next, Mr. Clark considers a desperate move, one that could cross the legal line.
Is there anything further?
Can I file for bankruptcy then?
I cannot give you legal advice.
Yes.
I would just caution you with doing that if you really don't have a reason to file for bankruptcy. And you definitely will want to consult a bankruptcy attorney before you do that.
Yeah, I just don't want her taking nothing from me, so if she flipped the script, then...
Okay, Mr. Clark, I'm not going to assist you committing fraud. If there is nothing else, you are dismissed.
Thank you.
Out of options, Mr. Clark asks the unthinkable, can I file for bankruptcy? The judge is quick to shut it down, especially when he implies he just wants to protect his money in case his wife flips the script. This isn't strategy. It's a desperate cry for control in a life unraveling fast. As the case closes, we're left wondering, was this justice or just emotional chaos? If this drama hooked you, like, subscribe, and comment. What would you do in Mr. Clark's shoes? Stay tuned.